It is not necessary to have an email account to sell on Amazon. It is not necessary to have your own email account to talk to suppliers. You can quite okay go ahead and have your Gmail account and something like that, okay? No worries at all. So it's not necessary. Do I recommend, however, that you do have an email account? Yes, I absolutely do. And the reason for that is positioning. So when you are contacting suppliers to get pricing for your products, they will judge you. That sucks, but it's just true. They will judge you. And if they see you ordering or requesting prices from a Gmail account, they will think that you are a beginner, you've just gotten started, you don't know what you're doing, and therefore they will charge you more for your stuff. That's exactly what happens. Now that sucks, but it's exactly what happens, okay? And we all do it. If you look at yourself, if you're driving down the street, for instance, and you see a plumbing company and they have their signage on their plumbing van and their website URL says neilsplumbing@gmail.com, you will think less of that plumbing business as a result of that. And we all do it. It's natural human behavior. So, in my opinion, it's wise to take into consideration that sort of thing and to do small little changes that can alter the perception of who you are as a business. So that makes a lot of sense for me to do that. The companies I use for domain names and for emails and things like that, if you want a .com.au email address, then I use Crazy Domains. Crazy Domains I've been using for ages. Anytime you want a .com.au email address or website or whatever it may be, domain name, you will need an ABN to buy that. In Australia, you must have an ABN. And then if you just want a .com, then I use Namecheap. Namecheap.com for a .com. These are the cheapest domains online, I think. So, Kenneth, I hope that helps. It's worth the $15 it will cost you to set that up. I think it is worth it because in my experience, you will definitely save much more money than $15 when it comes to negotiating if you're negotiating from a position of power whereby the supplier assumes you're a bigger company than you are. You will save much more than $15. I'm fairly sure of that. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, and post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.